Hey guys, this is your second tutorial on a series or sequence of the very basics of Scratch. So as you can see, I'm on the scratch.mit.edu website, and when you're here, you will first need to sign in. So I'm going to sign in using my MasterCard account. You guys just put your stuff, your username, your password, and then you should come to a screen similar to this. Your what's happening and your Scratch news will be different. So in order to create a project online, you just go to My Stuff, and then you click New Project. And then you come to this screen. And of course, if you're using the offline version, everything will be the same, but just that you won't have to write a username or a password. All you have to do is just go to that Scratch and just and you will be on the screen. So if you're using the online version, you're basically saving your time. And so we're on the screen, and let's get used to some basics. So this right here, what I'm clicking, or here, it's called a sprite. A sprite is something where you could put programming to in order to move a certain character. So if you want a cat to say hi and you want a mouse to say hi, you will need two sprites. You will need the cat, and you will make a new sprite, create or draw a new sprite, which is the mouse. And then you could add code on the right side to the sprite 1. And then if you have another sprite, you could add code to that too without the first sprite interfering with the work. So in order to create a sprite, we will you could do many things. You could take a picture of yourself. You could upload a image from like Google Images or Bing or whatever you use. You could draw your own sprite, or you could use a customized library which has a list of sprites. And that's what I'm gonna do. So this has many sprites. I'm just gonna stay on topic, and try to find a mouse. And not all sprites are here. Like this isn't like the world kind of thing. Okay, so I found a mouse. So now I have two sprites, sprite 1 and sprite 2. So if I and yeah, that's basically the basics of making sprites. So I'm just gonna show you proof that if I add code to this, like the cat will say hi and the mouse will say hi too, like it's different stuff. So when the flag is clicked, so when I start this program, I want the mouse to say hello, because I'm in the mouse sprite. The work lab of the mouse changes, right? So when the flag is clicked right here, it'll say hello for 5 seconds, and if you go to the sprite, that code is gone. So for the cat, I want when flag is clicked, say hello for 2 seconds. In this code, you will see that the mouse will say hello for more time than the cat. Let's check it out. As you can see, the mouse said hello for a larger time. So that's basically the basics of sprites. And now I want to go to backdrops. Backdrops are technically the background of the test lab. So backdrops, you could like create a background and all that stuff. There's also a backdrop called switch backdrop too, so you could like change the backdrop and all that. It's very good for like mazes or like if you want to make an animation, yada yada yada. So to create a backdrop, all you have to do is click backdrops, and then you will see scripts, backdrops, and sound. Yeah, you will have to click, backdrop. And when you're in backdrop, you can do the same thing. There's a customized library. You could draw your own stuff, your own background, or you could upload an image and stuff like that. As you can see, that's a backdrop. And as sprites, you could like move them around. For backdrops, you could not because they're the background. You cannot move a background. So I'm just gonna go on backdrop. I'm gonna pick one. Sure, castles look cool. And now you will see that the backdrop. Wait. Yep. Now you can see that the backdrop is at the background. What's it called? Drop. Yep. Backdrop is at the back. So that's just a simple tutorial on how to use backdrops and all that. And also, if you're creating a sprite, you could script, and you're on scripts, right? Because everyone should be on scripts to be editing their script. Sorry, I'm just a bit laggy because of Scratch. And so if you go in costumes, you could actually change your scripts. You could have stuff like lines, like a dead script or stuff like that. But like, as you can see in these settings, converting all of these, I don't really like this like layout. It's like worse than Paint on Microsoft. So at the bottom, you'll see convert to bitmap. You want to click that. And now it's like a more clear version. It's just like a preference. I prefer this better. And yeah, so that's your first tutorial on Scratch. Subscribe and enjoy. The chosen developer checking out.